In this program, we are going to check if a given string is palindrome or not. What does a palindrome mean? A palindrome is a number, a word, or a phrase, or a other sequence of characters which read same in both forward and backward direction. Let us say this example, madam, it reads same as madam in both forward and backward direction, right? So it's a palindrome. Let us go through this function. These are header files. The string.h allows us to use all kind of string functions like string length, compare, copy, etc. Void is palindrome is a user-defined function which will be used later in the main function. First, let's go through the main function. Int main, it's a main function. Here we simply declared a string and asked for the user to give value for the string, and we call this user-defined function. Okay, let us go through that function. Here we declared an int n and we taken the value of n as string length of str minus 1. Why we took minus 1 here means for an array of size n, its indexes are from 0 to n minus 1, right? That means in the same way, for this string length, to use that n in this for loop, we used n minus 1 directly here. That means for example, this is the string, right? The index of the first character is 0 and the index of the last character is 4. It's not 5, it's 4. So we have used n minus 1 here. Here we go through the if loop. If for n equal to 4, for n equal to 4, the values are 0, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, right? It first checks I equal to 0 and I equal to 4. And then it checks for 1, 3. And then it checks for 2. That's nothing. We can ignore 2 when. If any of these two sets is not equal, it directly prints not a palindrome and return. If all the two sets are equal, for madam, m equal to m, a equal to a, d equal to d, all are equal. So it doesn't go through this if loop. It directly shifts to the next loop and directly prints s is a palindrome. If it's like madams, it checks m and s. It's not equal. These m and s are not equal. So it go through this if loop and directly prints that it's not a palindrome and returns from the function. That's it. Okay, let us run this program. Sorry, run. Enter a string. Madam. See, madam is a palindrome. Let us enter another one. Enter a string. My name. Navya. Navya is not a palindrome. Sorry, here something is missing. Okay, let us erase it. Enter a string. Navya. See, Navya is not a palindrome. Okay.